Good companies want to only do good work. This is why I feel very lucky that I found Myra. My name is Michael Alexis. I came from Palm Springs, California, USA, and I had a lot of gum recession, wear and tear on my bottom teeth, and old crowns and gum recession on my top teeth. I also had an infection in one of my front teeth, and I had previously an implant put in Costa Rica that was much too large and always kept hurting, and it was up near my nose. So I had that treated here. I avoided eating certain foods because my front teeth were overly prepped in 1996, and the crowns were big and the prep teeth were very small. So I was constantly in fear that it would come off. I also had two that broke off at the gum line because they were overly prepped, and I was eating and they broke off. So I had more crowns put in and 2 implants, and it was constant fear of losing them on vacation or whatever. My initial communication was I was communicating with Dentateur and Dental Center Turkey, and I also communicated with Myra. This was over 2 years ago, and what left me with the best impression and treatment plan was Myra. They seemed more legitimate, not rushed factory, and they didn't seem inferior like Dentateur did to me. I also was given a treatment plan through my correspondence that was excessive, and it turns out I didn't need that. So I was very surprised when Dr. Erdem was very conservative with what I needed, and that was a wonderful, wonderful wake-up call for me. They spent a lot of time on me with WhatsApp, and then I met you on WhatsApp because it was a while later that I decided I could afford to do this, and I was very welcomed and treated with a lot of respect and care. When I made the decision to come to Turkey, I was naturally nervous because I thought I was going to get all my teeth extracted and have a full bridge, but luckily that didn't need to happen. We got picked up at the airport, courtesy all the way, and the last time, 6 months ago, I stayed at a different hotel, which was fine, but I had to come back again 6 months later, which is now, for my final crowns in the front after my implants. Dr. Erdem is a wonderful doctor, and he's very personable. He loves his work, he's honest and genuine, and the people that work for him are also very sincere and proficient. My surgery and my temporary never came off, and my crowns were perfect. I'm one for perfection, although I don't want artificial, I still want perfect, and they were perfect. He prepped my teeth minimally, and he did a great job. I never had really any pain during or even after. When they extracted my teeth 4 days later, I did feel a bit uncomfortable here naturally with the new implants, a replacement implant and a new implant, but the temporary was put in a day later, and in 6 months it was secure, it never came off, and I was extremely, extremely relieved to have all my teeth looking beautiful and new. It's like a second chance of youth. Just a complete relief. A relief that it's over, a relief that I can glide my tongue around my teeth and not feel roughness, gum recession gaps, and no more fear. A very secure feeling that I can now live my life and not have to worry anymore about my teeth. I have very good oral hygiene, but because I'm an older man, I'm 65, I had a lot of wear and tear, and like I said, overly prepped front crowns. I can smile widely, I enjoy brushing my teeth, I enjoy taking care of them, And I feel that if I ever go away on a vacation, that a horrible, horrible accident won't happen where my tooth will break off like they did, and that I will not have any more problems. Also, I feel a sense of relief. When I first got back 6 months ago, when I went to my hotel room after my permanent crowns were installed, I went to the mirror, I rolled my eyes back, and I couldn't believe the relief I felt that my teeth were smooth from the gums up, and it was a whole new mouth. My dental experiences in America have all been horrible, always horrible. The dentists are overpriced, they are rushed, they don't give you the kind of care that you would expect from paying all that money. At Myra, it's not crazy busy. They really have their flow of work very regulated. So no one's overworked. The dentist can give you full, undivided attention, and it's amazingly worth it for the price. So, like any country, there are a lot of bad dentists and a lot of good ones. There's a saying called turkey teeth, and it's a derogatory term for people that have had bad results or have had ridiculous looking fake teeth. I was very fortunate to find this company. I thank my lucky stars every day that I lucked out and found this company, because it could have been a disaster. So do your research, look at reviews, and ask questions, and have clear communication with the company and the doctor so you know what you're getting and what you're not getting. And then you should not have any problems. But Myra really, to me, has been a godsend. And I had my friend come too, and he got all his teeth fixed this trip. I wish you all the best, because you've made my life so much better, treated me with respect and care. Any question I needed to ask, you were always there, always responding very quickly. And I wish you success, and for you to keep doing what you're doing and helping people, because the doctors here love their work. They take pride in their work, and they're not looking at dollar signs. They genuinely want to help and keep their reputation as high as it is. So they don't want to do bad work. Good companies want to only do good work. This is why I feel very lucky that I found Myra.
Thinking about you still about to throw my 10 cents in the